Hey guys, what's up? It's B. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I look like a girl with a pearl earring. She's really ugly, by the way. Even though it was played by Scarlett Johansson, like the actual painting, she's kind of ugly. That's how I feel right now. For real though, today I'm going to be testing out an apple cider vinegar rinse. I've done one with real apple cider and it was smelly. So we have this look going on right now. I just got back from the gym, so I look kind of gross. My hair's up. I wear headbands. Yes, I'm that girl. And I don't care. You know why? Because it soaks up the sweat and the oiliness. And I don't wash my hair every day, so it like soaks up the sweat and it really does help. And I don't like sweat dripping down my face when I'm at the gym. It kind of makes me feel gross. I've done a real apple cider vinegar rinse in the past, like using real apple cider vinegar, and I never did it again. You know why? Not because it didn't work. It made my hair really shiny and it clarified it and everything, but it was smelly. It has a very, very strong smell and a strong taste. So this packaging is not the most attractive thing in the world. It looks like a condiment bottle, like oil and vinegar that you would put on a salad or sub. But I'm pretty sure it's not edible, so don't be putting this on your fries and shit. This rinse is supposed to be a substitute for your shampoo and conditioner, and that just sounds crazy to me. So that's what I wanted to try, because I'm all about, you know, like not washing your hair every day. Well, I'm gonna test it out today. Let's begin. Here's a close-up of my roots. They're really not that greasy right now because I did just wash it last night and I let it air dry, so it's doing pretty good, and I don't have any product like dry shampoo on it. It's just clean hair that's been to the gym and has a little sweat and oil on it. You don't apply this like a normal shampoo. The company said to part your hair a couple times and apply it right on the scalp. So this is me showing you exactly what I did in the shower. You like my acting skills here? Because I'm not actually applying the product. I'm just showing you guys what I did. So I applied it from the front to the back, and you don't need much product. You don't really have to squeeze too much. It's very watery, so it comes right out. I left it on for 5 minutes or so and massaged it in. Look at me, I am so dedicated. I think I'm ready for commercials now. I massaged the product all the way down my hair, and I felt like it wasn't reaching the very ends, so I applied a little bit extra on the very ends and just massaged that in. It's very mild on the lather department. You're not going to get a lot of bubbles, but it does feel a little bit slippery. It feels like very watery soap. And I could definitely feel the difference on my hair because it felt a little bit more silky and smooth where the product was applied. So yeah, the application was really easy, and then I just rinsed it out, and this is right after the shower. And my hair does feel clean, but I kind of have to see the difference after my hair dries and tomorrow to see like if it made any difference, if it feels like clean hair, or does it just still feel really dirty and grimy. Do you see that? I didn't put any product in it. None. My hair is completely dried now. It's been dried for a couple hours. I just let it air dry, and I have to say it doesn't feel greasy at all. It feels a little bit greasy like at the nape of the neck, but I didn't really put much product there. I concentrated more like at the very top of my head, the crown, and like around my face, because I mean that's where I don't want my hair to get greasy and gross, and that's normally where I add the dry shampoo anyway. And it feels very clean, like I just shampooed and conditioned my hair, which is really weird to me because I didn't. And Tony said that my hair smells really good, and I'm so happy about that because last time I did a real apple cider vinegar rinse. So far so good, and I'll catch you guys later. Hey guys, today's day 4. The only reason I didn't record day 3 is because it looked clean and fresh. There really was no reason. It only started to get a little bit oily towards the end of the day, and the only reason I noticed is because I was brushing through my hair, and it just looked a little bit shinier and sleeker than normal. I'm about to head to the gym and I just wanted to show how greasy my hair is right now. On a normal day, today would definitely be a shampoo day for my hair, but I'm going to try to use the rinse and see if it still feels clean after. I'm going to comb my hair back. I never put any product in it, nothing extra. See that? Normally my hair would definitely not just stay back like that. The fact that I can just brush it back and it stays, that's greasy. Okay, so I've been using this product well over a week. By the 6th day, I have to say I am ready for a shampoo. The hair is too greasy, it's gross, it needs to start over. But 6 days is still a pretty long time because I'll rotate out like every 3-4 days to wash my hair. 6 days is like really pushing it. I'm just very impressed with this product. It's $35, but it replaces your shampoo and your conditioner. And I've never heard of this product before. I don't know why. Like nobody I follow, nobody I've seen has ever talked about this product. And it's a shame. It really is a shame because it's so innovative, it's different, and it just works. It's very easy to use. You don't need much. You might think you'll need more in the beginning because it doesn't really have that much of a lather, but you really don't need that much. Put some at the roots, put some at the ends, and you're good to go. Just rinse it out, leave it on for a few minutes, and then rinse it out. You're good to go. Thank you, Influencer, for sending me this product to try out. This is not sponsored at all. I did not have to do a video, nothing like that. It was just like a little review thing for their website, and I wanted to do a review myself because it was just so different and innovative, and I've never really heard anyone talk about it. I really want to try other things from the dpHUE line. They have like an ACV salt scrub or something like that for your scalp. They have all these other things. I can't wait to try. I definitely will check them out, and I hope you enjoyed this review. If you've tried it, let me know, or if you've tried other products like this, let me know. I've never seen one without, like using actual ACV, which is really stinky, and it's just a mess. Like, I didn't like to use it, and it gets on your body and everything, and then your whole body smells like ACV. This doesn't leave that really nasty smell. So I was pretty happy about that. If you like this review, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye! Even for somebody who doesn't like to wash her hair, really long time for someone who doesn't want to wash her hair. Oh, why can't I?